So that little tiddler there is supposed to go there. It's what I've used like a lunchbox container thing. That ginger, I've got fresher ginger, but we're going to use it up. That's the good thing about juices and things. You can kind of, no, you don't want to put things in if they're mouldy, people. Or you could cut the mould off and still put them in, but you tend to save a lot of waste by having a juicer. And same with like a Vitamix or something. Chili! Damn right, I saved the seeds and the pulp. I'm going to have wraps for dinner, so I didn't waste that. So, hope I can, I don't know, maybe people want to juice. If you already juice, there's another one of the members. So I don't juice as much as I have done when I started out. But we're going to get back on it, as I said. Got some fresh turmeric. That is a weapon. Definitely. Powerful weapon. And some lemon and that. It's not like loads of stuff I'm doing here. Sometimes I'll do, when I get the juicer out, I'll do like a couple of Nalgene's worth. But we're going to do some more tomorrow. So, as Dan said, because that's who got me onto all this from the beginning, really. This is raw food, it's not living food. Like living food is like what you would pick like out the ground straight away off the tree. Slight difference, that electrical, vibrational, nutritional value, you know. People are going to share that. Might show you pouring my juice. Get on it next year, people. 2003, hopefully it's going to be a good year. Hopefully. I mean, I'm going to make it a good year. I don't know about you, whatever goes on, I'm going to be working on me. Stronger every day, baby. What more can you say? A load of whoop-ass. I've had one swig. One little swig, and that's spicy. It's good though. I've never actually used a chili in there before, or hot pepper, whatever you want to call it. Definitely adds some heat, and it's after one gulp, you can feel that's doing some good. So it's not actually loads in there, but it's enough. It doesn't take long. You just stand there and chop the veg up, put it in, and this is what they would call a lemon ginger blast. AKA from like Lou Corona, and then DTM, Dan the Man, Life Regenerator, Dan McDonald. People over and out, just another video, but people do not realise the value in things like this, how simple really things are, and how what we need is really simple. Yeah, I struggle. Yeah, I got troubles. If you look at my video YouTube description thing, we keep pushing forward, but we're still here. In 2023, we're going to be juicing, baby. Shout out to DTM. You're an inspiration.